Welcome to our in-depth review of Clickera. Is Clickera truly a top-tier landing page builder? Or is it one you might want to skip? Today, we'll delve into Clickera's features, compare its pricing with competitors, highlight its advantages, and discuss any potential drawbacks. Moreover, we'll provide a hands-on guide on how to maximize Clickera's offerings. From creating landing pages to email marketing and automation, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we uncover unique perks and innovative ways to harness Clickera for your online venture. Currently, Clickera is in its beta phase, which means improvements and new features are on the horizon. But for now, let's dive into its pricing structure. Clickera offers a range of plans, from a free tier to more advanced options. How does it stack up against competitors like System.io? And is it a viable alternative to giants like Clickfunnels? Let's break it down. On Clickera, we have the free forever plan, the starter plan, and the unlimited plan. When compared to System.io and Clickfunnels, Clickera offers competitive pricing, especially considering the features it provides. Now let's navigate Clickera's interface. The dashboard is user-friendly, providing insights into contacts, sales, and more. Creating funnels is a breeze, and the platform offers a plethora of customization options. Whether you're a novice or a pro, Clickera's intuitive design ensures a smooth experience. One standout feature of Clickera is its ease of customization. With a fast and responsive builder, designing stunning pages is effortless. From images to text and buttons, every element can be tailored to your liking. The builder offers various blocks and templates, making the design process seamless. Beyond landing pages, Clickera boasts a suite of tools for email automation, contact management, and more. Despite being in beta, it's a robust platform with a promising future. While it may not yet rival Clickfunnels in features, Clickera's speed and simplicity make it a strong contender in the landing page builder arena. The platform also offers automation rules, affiliate links, and billing options. In summary, while Clickera is still evolving, its current offerings, combined with its competitive pricing, make it a noteworthy tool for online businesses. Its user-friendly interface and rapid builder set it apart from many competitors. For those seeking an affordable, efficient platform, Clickera might just be the perfect fit. Check out the link in the description below to explore Clickera for yourself and determine the best plan for your needs. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive review. Until next time.